Hey loves! Today I'm sharing tips and tricks to help you safely sugar wax at home for smooth, glowing skin. Let's get into it. First, store your sugar wax in a glass airtight jar to keep it fresh. When you're ready to use it again, don't microwave it. Instead, place the jar in hot water until it softens. This keeps the wax smooth and easy to work with. Before applying, always check the wax temperature by touching a small amount with your fingertips. It should be warm and not hot to avoid burns. Smooth the wax onto your skin, pressing firmly to grip the skin. Then rip it off in the opposite direction of hair growth for the best results. You can use the same piece of wax repeatedly and wax in the same area to your discretion until all the hair is removed. I'm able to use this wax on every part of my body, from my underarms to my private areas, and I have no problems. Of course, ingrowns that come with waxing, but it's not too bad. As best as you can, try to avoid shaving between waxes because it will make the waxing a lot more painful. After waxing, gently exfoliate to prevent ingrown hairs and moisturize to keep your skin soft and hydrated. Please don't mind that I have some slight hairs still left over. This is just because I did not want to go through the pain of waxing this area multiple times. And that's it. If you found these tips helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty and self-care content. See you in the next one.